Crispy golden croutons combined with cheese and egg make this dish. For every batch, we always purchased a fresh loaf for just 22 kopecks. Now it's hard to find something similar. But I found something. I cut the loaf into slices, each one approximately 1 centimeter thick for serving. I heat clarified butter in a pan. If clarified butter isn't available, I use regular lard or margarine instead. Next, I fry the loaf pieces until they become golden and crispy, ensuring a delicious and perfectly cooked result every time. I rub garlic on both sides, creating an amazing aroma. Then, I spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise. This combination enhances the flavor perfectly, adding a smooth, creamy texture that completes the taste and makes it truly irresistible. I grate boiled eggs finely and place them on top of the mayonnaise, ensuring they are evenly spread for a delicious and visually appealing result every time. I sprinkle grated cheese on top. My mother typically used hard cheese. However, you may substitute processed cheese if you prefer instead. Are we ready to crunch together and start working right now, everyone? If you have made sandwiches similar to these, please share your experience with me. If you haven't tried making sandwiches like this yet, I definitely encourage you to give it a go. You will find that this recipe is absolutely delicious and incredibly satisfying. It's easy to prepare and perfect for any meal, whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The taste is sure to impress your family and friends. Don't hesitate to try it, and let me know if you enjoy it as much as I do after making these sandwiches yourself.